So today we're going to explain you how to use our tool to create JSON files so you can mass mint NFTs in bulk in DAODAO. Thanks to the tooling they provide, you only need to like a JSON file where you indicate all the details of each of your NFTs and where they're going to be minted, in which wallet. So this is pretty much the same tool we created for minting in OmniFlix, but we modify it so it's compatible with the DAODAO JSON structure. So what you do here in this setup page, you put your collection name here. We are doing an experiment with RackFM collection. You put a folder where you want your JSON files to be stored, and the baby category that executes the generation of the JSON file. So the first step is to come to this DAODAO metadata preparator page. Here you basically only need to fill out the yellow field. This area is for, this column is for the Juno addresses where you're gonna mint them to. Then you have this data that for this specific collection will remain the same for all of them. So basically the idea is that whatever you put in the yellow field, let's say instead of false, it should be true. So let's do that now. We're gonna change to true, and all the fields will automatically update. Of course, you can have like a individual, fine tuning of each field. Let's say if you want to customize for each wallet to have a different collection or a different art for the NFT, you can simply come and delete the yellow one, because the yellow is for mass population of data, let's say, and then you can just paste individually. Let's say this group has this collection, and then this other group is another collection, and so on. So that's pretty much how this works, very simple. And the index is automatically generated. So pretty much you just need to put these 4 data and the Juno wallets. And then they're gonna be concatenated as a JSON format, which will be actually shown here one by one if you wanna review how it looks like before the generation. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The way this works is once you come here and execute the script, I will show you later, it will come here to this folder. We already created one. Let's create a second one so you can see the process. So we're gonna click the baby category. He's in charge of verifying that the JSON is fine, and then he generates. Here it is. You double click, you can open the file and see if everything falls in the format that you require for your minting. And that's pretty much how this works. Very easy, very quick. So what it does is a JavaScript, very short script that iterates through each of the rows and generates formatted JSON and then export as a JSON file. So you can audit this. You need to give grant permission in your Google account so this can execute, but you can audit this yourself. Very short, very easy, very simple. Nothing crazy here going on. So because this gives you like warnings like, oh, this is not secure to grant access to your Google Sheet or your Drive or whatever, but that's all it does. So you can ask anyone who knows about JavaScript. It's safe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you just grab your JSON file, bring it to DAODAO, and then go through the process of the minting. This actually is there is a video by RackFM. They have a series. They already uploaded how to create a DAO, how to create a proposal, mint one NFT in that proposal, and the third one just uploaded. They explain how to do the bulk mint, for which you will need a JSON, right? So they explain here the process, and you can see here the JSON file. So they explain how to like do this one by one. But then that's why we saw this and like, whoa, let's just modify this and make it a DAODAO JSON generator. So you can combine this with the Bruce Man video, and this will be like a awesome combination for you to work fast and easy and avoid the mistakes that you will have like doing this manually one by one. Because as it's enough that you forget a comma or something, it just breaks the structure. There is also another video that I found today, minted 7 hours ago, from Rarma. He does something similar. If you know how to code in Python, I recommend you to check this out. It's pretty much the same. You add the Juno wallets and then iterate through that, but you need to, I guess, to use CLI. I don't know, I'm not very familiar with this. That's above my pay grade. But yeah, you have that option too for generating the JSON. So yeah, if you guys have any question about this, please feel free to reach out to us. It's our Twitter. We'll be glad to help you with your project to make this customized so you can mint your collections in DAODAO. Well, thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you later.